Hey Mark, Evelyn, I'm going to quickly give you a tour of the house here, 16th Avenue. This is the one where the realtors from East Bay. Nice house, funky floor plan. It walks in to a normal Sunset home. You got the big living room, fireplace, nice picture window, of course, entryway. Walks into a dining room here. But here's the weird part. Walks into a really odd galley kitchen. Certainly nicely redone, but a galley kitchen, not exactly sure how you open this room up. And then you walk in to a little hallway that goes back to the full bathroom. Once again, nicely renovated, good looking full bath. And you have two bedrooms. They are side by side bedrooms. I'm not sure which is supposed to be the master. Here's that odd extra room that most Sunset homes have. And it walks around to the other bedroom. Once again, connected rooms at the back of the house. 2 bedroom, 1 bath. Upstairs, you walk downstairs. And we have a second entrance here. Open to the sky. And then it goes into the normal entryway on the north side of the driveway. Really good sized garage though. Certainly could do more with this space. As is, it's easily a 2 or 3 car garage. Very good size. So certainly ways to use this downstairs space a little more. They put a little laundry area here to add extra square foot. Of course, nice new upgraded water heater furnace. And you go back to what they're calling the 3rd bedroom, which is on the main floor. Sorry, the 1st floor, the ground floor. Nice bathroom. No tub. I think both showers were regular stand-up showers. This one is, as well as the one upstairs. But little bedroom here. I suppose that's a small bedroom, and then a little living area. So not sure if they envision this to be a 1 bedroom, 1 bath in-law downstairs, and just have 2 bedroom, 1 bath upstairs, or what. And you go back to a backyard, which unfortunately doesn't have any lights. But it's a nice pavered off backyard. Has a little balcony and some pavers there. Sorry, there's no lights back here, so we can't really see it, but usable level backyard. Anyway, that's the other home here, the one that doesn't have any pictures, and it's the realtor from the East Bay. Potential. This is asking it's $1,525,000. I'm very, very skeptical that they'll get that price. I think they're at least 100K, maybe 150K overpriced, considering it's really only a 2 bedroom, 2 bath house. Anyway, that's that. We'll chat about it later, and I do believe it's also open this weekend.